is Caleb, and today I'm going to be presenting my project Railroad. My goal for this project was to make a cardboard crossbar to move down when a hand was 10 centimeters from the other, and to blink and flash an LED. My design was a railroad boom barrier that would close when I put my hand 10 centimeters away from the ultrasonic sensor. My build consisted of male-female wires, an ultrasonic sensor, one resistor, one servo motor, one LED, cardboard, tape, one Raspberry Pi, and one breadboard. My program made the boom barrier's crossbar fall down when my hand was 10 centimeters away from the ultrasonic sensor and to light up the LED. Here's a portion of my code. I tested my project 35 times, 30 ending in failure, and 5 successful. If I had time to rethink, I would make a green LED light up when the crossbar was up. Now I will demonstrate. So when I put my hand in front of it, it'll keep the crossbar down, and the LED will flash, and then when I take my hand away, it'll open back up. So that was my project. Any questions?
Yeah.
Yes.
What was the hardest part of your project?
The hardest part was getting the ultrasonic sensor to work.
All right, let's give him a round of applause.